Hello, Prep 1. Today we will start new unit. New hello. Unit 6. Let's eat. Now, in this page number 54, there are different types of food. There are different types of food. There is olive, there is peppers, there is fake, there is chips, there is nuts. Okay? What food can you see in the picture? Can you name them? Okay, let's read this mini dialogue. What food do you like? What food don't you like? I like nuts. Yes, this is nuts. This is nuts. Yes, this is what nuts. I don't like olives. This is olives. This is a olives. Okay, what food do you like? I like salad and meat. I like salad and meat. Now, look at this page. Today we will talk about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns we can count. Something you can count. Something you can make it plural. A noun you can make it what? Plural. They can be singular or plural. We use a or an before a singular countable noun, and the plural usually ends with s. So countable noun هو noun that I can count it, that I can make it plural. But uncountable nouns, okay, don't have a plural form. We can't make it plural. We can't put s to it. We can't count them, and we can't put a or an before them. Okay, like what countable? Countable like I like nuts. Okay, there is nut, singular, and I can make it plural to be nuts. I need a drink. I need a drink. طب uncountable nouns are uncountable nouns like I like cheese. Okay, countable nouns like cheese, like water, like milk. All of them are a uncountable nouns. I can't count them. I need water. I need water. Now, what is the difference between some and any? As we said before, that some comes in the positive sentence. In the positive, there are some papers. There are some papers. Okay. طيب أمال any comes in the, yes, excellent, in the question and in the negative. Are there any papers? Are there any papers? Or there isn't any there isn't any there is. Okay, يبقى this is some, and the difference between some and any. Okay, now let's answer this part. Okay, is there any humans? No, there, yes, isn't. Number two, there are, yes, some, because it's a positive sentence. Is or are any cheese? Cheese يبقى is or are any figs? يبقى are, because figs are plural. No, there aren't any figs, because this is negative. There are some raisins. Some raisins. Okay. Now turn the page and let's read this text. Rose بلبن, Egyptian rice pudding. Okay. Now let's read these ingredients. Okay. Ingredients of rose بلبن, Egyptian pudding: cup of rice, one cup of rice, 2 cups of water, 3 cups of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of raisins, 1/4 cup of nuts, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay. Instruction number 1: put rice and water in saucepan. Number 2: boil the rice and water for 20 minutes. Number 3: add milk slowly as you stir. Number 4: add sugar and stir again. Number 5: put the rice pudding into bowls. Number six, put raisins, cinnamon, and nuts on the top. Put the rice pudding in the fridge. Okay, this is how to make rice pudding, Egyptian rice pudding. Okay, now turn the page. Reading also. In this part, we will talk about healthy snacks. Everyone loves snacks, but some snacks are bad for us. Yes, there some snacks are bad for us. What is the best way to enjoy healthy snacks? Crisps and cakes. It's okay to eat crisps and cakes sometimes, but you shouldn't eat too many of them. Crisps have a lot of fat and salt. Cakes, chocolates, and biscuits has a lot of fat and sugar too much. Of this type of food is bad for our bodies, so it's unhealthy food. Fantastic fruit. Fruit is a great snack. It's very good for us. Yes, fruit is very good for us. And most people like the sweet taste. You should You should eat between 2 and 4 pieces of fruit a day. Beans and vegetables. Beans and vegetables don't have much sugar or fat. They are very good for us. So we should a lot of them. Eat a lot of them. Snacks like hummus like with carrot and peppers are delicious. Be careful. We should be careful even with healthy food. Fruit juice has got a lot of sugar, so we shouldn't drink too much of it. Olives, meat, and fish sometimes have a lot of salt. Okay, now turn the page. Let's talk about food in Africa. Food in Africa. Egyptian has a lot of interesting food, but my favorite meal is kosher. It's a delicious meal with rice, pasta, and tomatoes. It's very popular. Many people like it. Marwa. I live in Morocco. Ghana is a traditional meal from my country. It's a stew with meat, vegetables, fruit, and spices. The taste is amazing. The name of Tigana comes from cooking pot in this food, Hamza. In this part in Kenya, people often make nema, naro, for dinner. It's a stew with meat and potatoes. It's wonderful. Love eating it after school when I'm very hungry. Mikana. Kapenta. Kapenta is a popular type of fish in Zimbabwe. We catch the fish from the lake and dry it in the sun. Kapenta is very good for you, so you can eat it every day. We often cook it with tomatoes and onions. It's great. Parsley. Now, let's start the last text. Okay, City Cafe. Great visit. I visited the cafe last week and with my mom and dad and my brother Ashraf. We chose this cafe for lunch because it cooked it very nice. The walls were green and white and there were big windows. I love looking out the window and watching the city. Ashraf and I both had rice for lunch. I had fish with rice and he had chicken. My dad had fish with rice too, and my mom had salad. It's very healthy. We all liked our food. After lunch, Ashraf and I had cakes. This was the part we enjoyed most. There were lots of different cakes, and they all looked delicious. I chose basbousa and Ashraf like kunafa. They were amazing. I'd like to visit this cafe again very soon. Now, prep one, we have finished unit 6. Let's eat. Okay, see you soon. Goodbye.